Hello everyone, and welcome. So let me introduce myself first. I'm Christian, and I've been trading for 10 years now, and have been active there on TradingView for the last 5 years. So I'm constantly, actively sharing the analysis with you for the last 5 years. So I'm a trader and a professional mentor. So if you would love, you can join my team. You will get all the instructions how to trade like we do. My goal here on this kind of webinar is to help people improve and become profitable in trading and give you as much knowledge as I can, especially in those kind of webinars. So if you have any questions, feel free to use YouTube chat and TradingView chat. I can see both chats, and feel free to ask anything what bothers you, or if something is not clear to you, just feel free to use the chat. I will answer on your question. Okay, so what I'm showing over there is the wave analysis. This is totally different way of trading. Okay, and you won't find it anywhere. No voice. Can you guys confirm? Do we have voice now, or okay? So it should work now, right? Okay, I received a couple of messages that there was no voice, so now it should be stable. It should have sound now. So before we will start with the webinar, I will please you to hit that like button. I will really appreciate it if you can do it. And of course subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming webinar. Okay, so we have a confirmation that we have a sound now. Perfect. So sound, screen, everything gets prepared. We just need to start, right? So I have prepared there something special for you guys, for the general public. So those who are new over there and those who've been following me for kind of a while, I have created there a special watch list. Okay, so those videos over there are educational. Let me just bring it. Okay, these are the educational videos over there, and if you go to my YouTube channel, Wave Master, link is in the description of every video. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find there the education playlist. So make sure you watch them. Okay, this is very powerful stuff, and I will keep adding those videos. Okay, as soon as I will have time, I will add a couple of videos so you can learn something new. Okay, of course, more you will learn if you'll stick to the webinar from the start to the end. And make sure that you are following me on TradingView. I'm posting there the ideas, and if you go quickly through the ideas that I've been sharing there with you, it's, for example, pound Aussie, it went up nicely. Okay, so this was the very good chart. We've been tracking it since there. Okay, it went up, gives us the correction, and continuously pushing up. So this is the 1 correction, 2 and 3 wave structure. Can I buy? No. So everyone who is having any buy taken over there, keep holding it. Okay, watch it. Once we will tag the trend line, keep an eye, but don't add buy over there at the trend line. Okay, so I expect that many of you catch nice trades over there. I've been updating it. We've been discussing on the webinar for this setup, so you should have it, right? You should have this pound Aussie, at least been mentioning it for kind of while. And the best chart that I've been sharing there with you is Catchief. Okay, this is the chart that I've been mentioning it a couple of times. You should have at least one trade over there on the way to the downside. Okay, at least one trade to the downside. If you missed it, watch it, why you miss it, what was wrong, and so on. Do something, analyze it. Okay, because trades like this is what you should not miss. Okay, these are the big trades. They're going nicely and they are no headache. Okay, this is fixed profit. So what the price will do now, it will correct and still can go lower. So if you catch this trade, you should at least, minimum, what you should earn over there, for everyone who is following us, at least 2%. 2% is the minimum what I do expect you that you will make over there. So if you invest at least $100, you should make $200. That's the minimum. But I do expect that everyone made over there. Expect mostly followers did take it. do take it. So if you didn't, so if you're new over there, what you can do, you can watch for this one and then you take a sell, less push to the downside. Okay, this is just the correction over there which is trying to appear develop. Okay, if you take any sells, you can as well take profit over there. You can take profit and wait for this leg to appear, this third structure to develop over there, tag the trend line, give you price actions, and then start to pushing lower. We will see the tag of the trend line. Okay, this will be another trade that you can take still. Okay, so still setup it's over there. But those who've been there, who've been listening me carefully, they should made at least 2% of the profit. Okay, easy. That should be a nice money over there for every one of you. And there are a lot of setups. I've been mentioning these kind of setups since very long, right? So there are many setups, not only this one. A couple of them are there. Okay, so please look at pound chief, analyze US 100. Okay, I will do that, guys, for you, no problem. We will go straight now to those charts. So first Mate was asking for US 100, and then we'll watch the pound chief, of course, no problem. Okay, we'll do that for you. Okay, so oops, sorry. You should learn now something from this chart. Okay, if you didn't take it, you should at least learn something. Nasdaq 100. NAS 100. Okay, so what this chart is trying to do, it looks like we are still in the structure in the buy stop. Okay, so that looks still like a correction for one more leg up. Okay, something like this is what I can see. So this week we will go at least back to the trend line. I'm not for the buy. I don't like the buying indices because bigger picture for me the downside. Okay, and I will ignore every buy. Okay, I would rather skip this one. I'm not interested for that small buy over there. But if you do so, if you have a nice strategy, if you have a good strategy, just go for this movement. It will go and tag the trend line, but then watch for price action and keep on selling it all the way to the downside. Okay, that's what I do anticipate from the Nasdaq 100. Next question was pound chief. Pound chief. Okay, we will do that. Hi, I've been learning a lot from you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate if you learn. That's the point of those webinars. Okay, so I want that every one of you will learn from this kind of the webinars. This is the purpose of those webinars, and I'm seriously doing all my best to give you as much knowledge as I can. So congrats. Okay, so if you have questions, feel free. Now we will take a look on pound chief. So I am selling. Why you are selling? Selling pound chief, it's not ready yet. Okay, so you're supposed to be buying it. Okay, so there is a nice structure that still looks like a running for it, maybe higher time frame, another leg higher, at least break that high and then sell. Okay, so what you're doing over there, selling from there, it's not kind of good idea, because maximum profit what you can get is this probably, and then the price can still go up. So I would rather let it go higher. Okay, if you were buying it somewhere there from the lower spots, this is great, so put all your trades on break even. But from where it is right now, I do not anticipate, or I do not expect anything right now. This could still be the structure. 1, 2, 3. That could be the structure. These to go down today, okay? And then it could explode to the upside. This could be just one correction for more upside over there. Okay, something like this. So be careful if you are selling. If you have a good spot for selling, it's okay. Put it in break even, or at least watch it closely. Okay, that still seems like a correction for more upside. I don't see that this is the sell setup. Sell setup will form somewhere there from the higher spots. So check it twice and make sure that you are having good analysis for selling, because I really don't see selling it from this spot. EURUSD ready for shorting. EURUSD short. Let me check. We'll check it. Just a second. EURUSD. Not really. Not really. That I would rather wait to go a little bit higher. Okay, let's go a little bit higher and see how this develops. If this will be the structure for sell, yeah, you can sell, but for at least one leg lower. But if it stops over there by the previous low, that means we will extend for one more leg higher and then we will drop lower. Okay, so I hope that you guys are familiar now with this Euro USD trading. It's kind of complicated, but let me quickly show you the dollar, what I do anticipate from the dollar, because picture will be much more clear if I will show the dollar view. Okay, so dollar view, it's over there. So what I do anticipate is that the dollar can go, okay, from this spot where it is right now, it can go down and it can go up. Okay, so we have to be very, very, very careful from as it stands right now. If it goes slower, then definitely we'll watch and search for buying opportunities over there from the trend line, around the trend line, then we'll watch for this wave to the upside. But as it stands right now, I would rather not touch it for buy. I would rather watch for sell. Any strong break to the downside, you can take a sell, take it back at the trend line, that's good idea. Okay, so buy on Euro USD will be much better. Okay, strong break to the upside can be better decision, but buying from there, and it's not making sense. Okay, rather let it go up, let it correct somewhere there and take a buy. Or if you at least wait for a 1 hour correction over there, which is almost over there. Okay, let me just delete this one. So this could be over there, and something like this is possible over there. And if you watch this kind of flag over there, this correction over there, yeah, you can watch for selling the dollar, euro dollar. So watch this, see how this 1 hour flag will appear. If it starts breaking up aggressively, you can take a buy, but be careful around the previous stop, because as soon as it tags the previous stop, it can reverse fast. Okay, so this is why this spot is very dangerous, especially if you are new into the trading and you don't have a lot of experience. You'll have to be very careful from this spot as it stands right now. Okay, you should not leave your trade open for a while, because they can just tag the top and then they will reverse very quickly. Okay, quick reversal can appear over there, so that's the point why you have to be careful over there. So if I was you, if I want to sell the Euro USD, I will just watch this one over there. I will see how that develops. Okay, I will see how this develops, and as soon as it starts drop on the strong candle, you can sell back at the trend line, and you have to be careful because it can turn to the upside very quickly. Okay, so quick reverse can appear over there from tagging the previous low. So what is your job now? Okay, let me delete that trend line, it just confuses us. So this eyes over there, we have to see how this 1 hour flag will develop, what the price will do. Can it go up? I don't think so. Okay, or if it do so, I would rather not buy from there. I would not take a buy over there. I will let this move go probably. That's what I will not be interested. We'll just let it go up, no trades, and then I will start selling it from the top. Okay, I will start searching sells from there, and this will be my trade. Okay, that much big trade is what I want. Okay, so this will be my trade, what I would love to take. Okay, 6% of profit at least. 6 to 5% of profit, depends how I'll catch it. Okay, that's not the fixed entry point. Okay, that's just some sort of view. Okay, so you'll have some perception how I will trade it. Okay, but if it drops, you can take and see what it does around the trend line. If it stops, break even trade and it goes higher. Easy. Okay, no complications over there. But it would really help you if you watch this 4 hour DXY, what the price is trying to do. Okay, this is the flag which tells us what the price will do right now. Okay, what the dollar pairs will do. Okay, so this is with the dollar pairs. Another question, check pound yen. Let me see the pound yen. Yes, we are having a nice selling structure over there. We are at the top, so if you watch the daily, okay, we are making a nice structure over there. Okay, so what we did, there was a structure for buy. We go and break the top. Okay, so the top, this top has been broken over there, and what we can do now, we can sell. This looks like a pretty nice running flat currently. Okay, impulse, running flat, and one more leg lower. That's the minimum what I do anticipate over there. Okay, what we can have, this kind of the move. But yeah, of course, watch for sell stops. Okay, keep an eye, keep on searching for price action over there. It could be a wonderful trade. Okay, it could be a wonderful trade. Don't over risk. Okay, but definitely watch for sharp breaks to the downside. Okay, so something like this is what you would love to see. Sharp break to the downside, then you can go for the trade all the way down to break the low at least. Okay, that's the minimum what we can expect. But I really do anticipate all yen pairs are showing a nice potential for more downside, so we should keep an eye on all yen pairs. All yen pairs is what we have to keep an eye. If you watch, if we watch the euro yen, okay, euro yen, it's still there at the top struggling. That looks like a very corrective structure. It can struggle over there and then it can still drop. Okay, so this is what we can have over there in the next upcoming hours. So definitely worth of watching, and then take the sell. How far sell can go? Can it break down and out of the structure? Yes, this move can break out as well, but the minimum what we can get is from there to there. Okay, this is the minimum what we can get. What is our potential? Can it go up? I don't think so. As it stands right now, I don't see the wave to the upside. All yen pairs are showing me more potential for the downside. New Zealand yen as well over there. Okay, if you watch the daily, that's kinda an interesting chart, because this could be just one impulsive movement. This could just be in the making of one flat pattern over in the middle. So this could be one, this all is two, so correction, and then three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. But then in the middle is the structure, the daily structure, which of course we can watch for short. Okay, definitely selling from this kind of this point standpoint, it's making sense. Okay, it's making sense, at least back at this low. That's going to be the minimum. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we are trading the third wave of the correction. Is the correction impulse, correction up. Can it break down as well totally downside? Yes, of course. So that's gonna be the bonus, because nobody knows. Okay, nobody knows. Will this go down totally out of the structure? Possible, but we cannot know. But definitely we will take the sell and we will watch what the price will do around the trend line. So once we are in the trade, it's very easy. We just move trades and break even, and we watch our account grow. That's all what we do. Okay, once we are in the trade, that's all. And what else? Euro yen, pound yen, and Aussie yen. Of course, Aussie yen is good chart as well. Okay, they are kind of similar one, but on daily they could be in this correction 1, 2, and 3. You see, so all of them are showing me this kind of correction. They all having an impulse, and they all are having any kind of correction over there. And so that's what I think. On the longer term, we will go up. But we have to finish the correction, and that's the reason why we are taking the sells on yen pairs. Okay, so if you go and take the sell, this could be 1, this could be 2, this could be the 3. We will tag the low, and then we will go to the upside. It's going to be a nice triangle over there. And of course, once we will reach the low, we will start watching to build some buy setups over there. Okay, so now picture should be clear for every one of you. Okay, yen are behaving the same way. Okay, so same this one. This can just go down, tag the low, break the low, and then still they will go up. New Zealand yen, look at that one, kind of similar structures. Every yen pair is having the same structure. These two complete and then up. So if we compare those yen pairs, we can see the third wave of the structure. It's what we are trading right now, and of course euro yen. Okay, so this leg lower. You see, so they all are in the correction. So price can just go down, tag those lows over there, and then go for extension. This could be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you don't understand, you should watch all the yen pairs on daily. You will see how they are behaving. Okay, they are doing something like this. They have a impulsive movement. Now we are in this correction, which is 1, 2, and the third wave is missing. And once this third will be missing, then we will have a 1, then we'll have a 2, and then we'll go for the third move to the upside. But this is what we are trading right now. Let me grab a different color. I'm trying to show you what we are trading on yen pairs. Okay, this sell to the downside is what we are trading right now. Okay, so hope that the view now it's clear to every one of you. Okay, we all should understand what the yen pairs are doing, and if you're taking the sells, you have to be aware where where you should get ready to take some profit, or where you should watch at least. Okay, you will have to put additional focus once the price will reach that third wave of the structure correction. Okay, we did the yen pairs. We have a question: New Zealand USD short and gold short. Let me check. Okay, let me see what we are having on New Zealand USD. Let me just start with the New Zealand USD. Yes, this is what I see. Let's see. Yeah, that's very interesting. It could be the short, but I will not trade from there. But anyway, this can go all the way back at those lows. It will give you a nice correction and then another leg higher and then drop. So look at that one where you're trading. If you feel comfortable, if you know what you're doing, you can go for the sell, but I will not trade in the middle of the structure. So what I don't do, okay, once we have a correction like this, I don't trade there, I don't trade there, and I don't trade there, and I don't trade there. Okay, this is the spot where I don't trade. That's not making sense for me. Okay, it's not making sense, and my stop loss can be difficult to place, or my risk to reward ratio, it's not good. And of course, any stop loss that I will place will make no sense, or it will be too big, and then it will destroy my risk to reward ratio. So I would rather wait that New Zealand USD will come down, okay, and then I will buy, or I would either wait this price to go up and then I will start selling from the top. But as it stands right now, that's not spot where I'm interested for. Okay, you are trading on the spot where you have the 50-50 chance. Okay, you have a chance 50% for buy, 50% for sell, and this is kind of gambling. So that's the reason why I don't love to chase the price in the middle of the structure, right? And gold for short, I don't think so that the gold is for short, but let me check. I haven't been watching the gold since very long. Where we are, yes, that could be the short. Okay, that could be the 1, 2, 3, that could be the daily structure. We can go lower, but we need a little bit bigger correction. Okay, so that can drop and then it will go for the bigger correction and it will drop. So rather wait for this kind of the correction. Okay, they always does. Look at that one. They always give you the bigger corrections before they drop. They even can go for the deeper correction. So selling from there, not good. But if you do so, if you go for the sell, take profit over there. That's not gonna drop totally, because price can just go lower and then it will go up. You'll have a bad and difficult time. It can tag the previous top and then it will go lower. Okay, tag the previous low, giving you the flat and relationship to this impulse. This could be the 1, this could be the 2, and we can go up. Okay, so, and if we will go and take a look where you are selling anyway, if you're selling wherever, let's say that you have a lock and you take it from there, from this correction, wherever, your stop loss is out of the structure, your take profit will be over there. So look at that one. That risk to reward ratio, it's not what I'm searching for. And trades like this is what I don't love to trade. And then what else? I can be easily stopped out. Okay, price will go down. Okay, I will not get out probably on right time. You will be confused because you weren't happy with 0.4 profit. It will just go up, 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 and you can be stopped out. But if you will be lucky, then if you use that big stop loss, you won't be stopped out. Yeah, if you have a big stop loss, if you have a luck, then you will not be stopped out. But this is not what we call trading. Okay, this is what we don't call trading. So it's really important where you will enter the chart. Okay, you have to pick the best spots for entry. Okay, we really do care where we enter, because if you care about your entry point, then your profit will increase. Why? Because look at that one. If I will show you an example, if you go and sell it from the higher spots over there using the same stop loss, your profit will increase. Look at that one. Instead of 0.4, you will make 1.4. This is very important to understand, guys, especially if you are new over there. It really matters from where you sell and where you buy. So make sure that you are aware where you are located with the structure. Go on the higher time frame, analyze the chart, see where you are, where you're located, what is your potential target, and place a realistic target. Okay, place realistic target, because you can do as well and put the bigger stop losses, take profits like most people does. Okay, they are pointing like this. Okay, but they are completely ignoring that the price will go into the correction anytime soon. Okay, they always does. They did there, they did there, they did there. Okay, they can do that from any spot over there, because this is the move. And now the chart needs to tell us what the hell is this move. Is this the corrective moves, or is this the corrective or impulsive move for more downside? If it is the corrective for more downside, then we will have a correction. That correction will confirm that we will go deeper. If it will start to go up, then structure will change. Probably it will give you the flat, and then setup for gold will totally change. We will have now a bigger buy setup instead of selling. Okay, so, and you can be stuck over there. You can be stuck over there for a while. So if you do this kind of mistake, make sure you will improve it. Okay, improve it. That's all. You should not be ashamed of any those kind of the mistake. We all did it, and most of beginner traders are doing so. No worries, right? So let's go next. Which charts are we going to watch next? So once again, guys, I will please you if you can hit that like button, especially on the YouTube, because this will help the YouTube algorithm to recommend that video to more traders that are struggling, to more traders that would love to learn from this kind of webinars that I'm sharing there with you. Okay, that's the minimum what you can do, please, and I will really appreciate it. Okay, so we discussed already about the DXY, EURUSD we did, New Zealand USD we did, Aussie USD is as well over there. What it could do? Okay, so it could go up over there, and it could as well go lower. So that's all rely on DXY. So it's very important if you go and understand the DXY behavior right now, or just watch the DXY for now. Okay, you have to see from this picture where the price will go, and then you will get the clear sense of direction on the other dollar pairs, of course. Okay, picture will become much more clear for you. But if you're trying to buy the dollar, then pound USD, it's gonna be the best solution over there. Okay, best solution for at least this move to the downside. Is there any possibility to have a trial to join your group? There's not the trial, but there is the option where you can take the monthly subscription, and you can join us for the month, and you'll see how we are doing. Okay, you'll get the access, you'll see how we are sharing the setups, how I share the setups, what we are discussing about, how we are setting up, and so on. Okay, so this will be for the 30 days, and if you're still not sure about, then you can go for another month as well. Okay, USD yen long, USD yen long, let me see. No, not really. Don't play with the long over there. Sometimes it's better that we skip the chart. Okay, if we see this move, mostly it's better to not take the trade over there to the upside. It's better that you prepare yourself, stay patient, stay away from the market, and then prepare yourself for another leg lower. This is what I can see from the dollar yen currently. What the price can do, look at that one. This could be a very nice move to the downside over there. Okay, it can go up and then we can have this kind of the movement. Okay, so similar move as we have over there can repeat very easily over there, but once this corrective structure will be completed. Okay, so make sure that you are aware what are you doing and from where you are buying or selling. This is not that hard to understand. Okay, so once you once you have some rules and once you train your eyes, it's very easy to stick to those patterns. Okay, so don't try to go long, really. That's what I will not recommend you. That's not something what I will go for, definitely. Oh, again. What else? So USD CAD will be good chart if dollar drops. Dollar dropping will drive the USD CAD all the way down, at least breaking that low. Okay, that's gonna be the chart, and that's gonna be the movement. Nice move, breaking the low, tagging the low, and then it can go for another leg higher. That's gonna be the bigger movement, of course. But this is the medium term. That could be tradable. This could be tradable. So if you see the dollar drops, then USD CAD is gonna be a good chart to watch for more selling. Okay, but be careful, don't sell it as it stands right now. Okay, that's not your selling spot. Okay, this is not your selling spot. Anywhere from this trend line oh, excuse me, sorry for that, you can sell from there where it is right now. Okay, so but if any strong candle will appear, something like this will start to appear, yes, you can go for it. That's going to be the short term trade from there to there. That's going to be the maximum what you will get out, take out, and take profit, and prepare yourself for a buy. Okay, this is how you can trade it. But if you're selling it from the top, from the lower time frame, there was a nice sell stops, couple of sell stops. If you took them, just watch them now and see what the price is trying to do. That should not reverse from the trend line. If you do so, then we will have a deeper correction over there. Okay, so nothing will change. The price will still be there. Okay, this will go for another leg higher and then going up. Okay, so nothing will change. The sell stop is still there. And why we are sticking to this sell stop? Because this is the sell structure. So if we go to the basic, and once you have a wave to the downside, and then if you have correction like this, what the price will do, it has to go low, break at least this low before turning its trend. So this trade should go break the low and then going to the upside. Okay, that's not that difficult to understand, but it takes some back testing, it takes some practice. You have to do it. You have to go and practice a little bit. Okay, EUR-yen, this is what we did already. That's done. All the pairs we already did. EUR-GBP, it's a good chart as well. Okay, so look at that one as well. Relationship to this, and based on this correction over there, we will go upside for at least one more leg higher. Then we will decide. Okay, from there is where we will decide what the price will do. Can I start watching for buy stops? Yes, definitely. That's what I really do recommend you to watch for buy stops over there. It's gonna be a nice move. Setup, it's nice, looking great. So search for buy stops. 200 pips to be made over there. So why not? Okay, why not? It looks fine. You just have to watch lower time frame, watch for some price actions, and follow it. Right, follow it. Good setup. DXY long. We discussed already about DXY. It's not. It depends, right? This one depends. If this 1 hour flag starts to breaking up, it's a buy, but not total buy. It can just go tag the top and then reverse the downside. Okay, or it can start dropping, but then you don't sell over there. You need something like this. Okay, you need a strong candle, then you sell. and back at the trend line you take profit and then you go for buy again. Okay, so you have to be completely aware, because it's very difficult spot as it stands, as dollar stands right now. Okay, it's not that easy, and it's the 50-50 chance. So you have to be very fast. You will have to be aware what you're doing, where we're located, and you need a good strategy to catch this move right now. Okay, but if you don't know, rather wait for the sell stop. For strong sell stop, it's what you can wait for. Okay, but this will definitely not go like this at the upside. That's not possible. It could go do something like this, then it could change its view and do this, and then it will go to the upside. But this move should not confuse you. Okay, this move should not confuse you. So make sure that you understand the setup on dollar. You have to understand what is it trying to do right now. If there will appear one candle like this, you should not be selling it. That still could be what? The buy, right? We've been discussing about this since very long, because small candles downside, small break, it doesn't mean sell. Okay, if you were there, you should know example of the sugar. Sugar is what I was teaching you, okay, over there. And if you go watch the previous recordings, previous live webinars, live meetings on my YouTube channel, you will see what we were discussing about. Okay, once this was breaking, I said no sell, no sell, no sell, no sell. And people were asking me, why the hell sugar it's not the sell? It's breaking out of this structure. Why it's not the sell? Because we were missing the correction over there, and I was keep waiting for the buy stop over there, because we didn't have any confirmation that we will go to downside. And this is just the break of the trend line, and break out of the trend line doesn't mean sell, and not even the buy stop. If we invert the chart now, that's just for the learning example. Okay, this is not the buy. Okay, so make things very clear over there. This is not the buy. This kind of example, it's not the buy, and you should not be worried, because this kind of the situation, it's happening all the time. We have the break out of the structure. First, we are watching for sell. Okay, then people lose its patience, and especially if they got stopped out over there or somewhere there. Let's say if you stopped out over there, then they lose its patience. Why? Because they thought that they just missed the buy. Okay, then they connect the trend lines like this, and then they say, oh, what the hell, I just missed the big buy over there. And what they do, okay, what they do, and what I did as well. And then bought there. This was the beginning of my trading. Okay, so then they bought there, and then what happened? Look at that one. Your stop loss is not making any sense. You are with not reasonable stop loss. Wherever you'll place it, if you put it there, wherever you put it, it's not making sense. But if you put it over there, then this is very stupid risk to reward ratio, and based on rules, you should not be trading it. That's it. Okay, very simple. But when I will take the buy, I will take the buy if this goes and corrects over there. If it do gives me the correction, then I will be interested for more buying power over there. Okay, but based on this, and based on this breakout over there, this small break cannot give you any signs that this will go to the upside. Not possible, and will never ever be possible. That's it. Break of the trend line doesn't mean trend. Okay, you have to write it down, because I know many of you are struggling over there with this kind of the mistakes. And like I said, it's not only the sugar, it's not only the CFD. That happens on crypto. The Forex market behaves the same way. Commodities, stocks, indices, whatever you watch, you will find these kind of examples everywhere. And this is where mostly people are blowing their accounts, and especially if you have a tight stop loss and so on. Okay, but I'm not gonna go that much into details, because this webinar will go into the another direction, so that's the reason. Okay, so make sure that you understand this example. If you understand it properly as I'm sharing there with you, then congratulations, you have learned very very powerful lesson. That's gonna be the very powerful lesson. Okay, so yeah, so you know what to do. Follow the buy flags, okay? Follow it all the way to the upside. Easy. That should be an easy trade, should not be complicated, right? Let's go. What else? Aussie cat. Aussie cat is on daily. Okay, this is on daily, and I see this one as a corrective structure, and we will be pushing more upside over there. More continuation to the upside will appear, and now the question is this: how long this is going to behave over there? Okay, this could be just the correction and another leg lower and then go up. Okay, but we have to watch it. If you want to go for this buy, you have to keep an eye and watch for flags. Follow flags all the way up. Pound Aussie, that was the perfect chart. Okay, I have a couple of buy over there. I have a couple of buy stops, my traders as well. So there was as well at least 2% of the profit where you should make over there. Okay, so now what you have to do, slowly watch to take your profit. We are close to the trend line, and buying over there is not making sense, not even the sell. Okay, don't sell it right now. So keep an eye, and currently this is neutral. Okay, so no trading over there on Pound Aussie. Pound Chief, we said let this correction appear and go for the buy stop. Cat Chief, this is chart that everyone's supposed to have. So if you are there for at least a month, and if you catch it, that's great. You are learning and you are listening. But if you didn't make any money over there on Cat Chief, then you have to start listening. You are not listening, and you're not probably active, or you don't believe, or something like that. Okay, so start listening, start improving, start implementing the skills which you learn over there into your everyday trading. Okay, if you will do so, believe me, you will understand me, what I'm doing and what I'm sharing there with you, and definitely then you will be able to generate some profit. Alright, so this could just go and give us the bigger correction, and yeah, this is the trade which we are aiming. Okay, back to turn line, sorry. At minimum 2% of the profit is what you should have, minimum 2. But if you're not in the trade, let this to develop and go for the sell. It could struggle giving you the bigger correction, but one of them will drop down. Okay, it could be 1, 2, the third one will drop, or the 5th one. We have no idea, but we will watch it. We will keep an eye on it, and we will definitely go for another leg lower. SP500, that's not on the good point. Okay, this can just struggle, go up, and then for drop. So let it do. Give it a couple more days. I would not be selling it as it stands right now. That's not for me. I will let it go up or either lower, 2 directions, but definitely will not trade it over there. Okay, US 30 as well. I will let it go up over there. If you are buying it, great. So you should move your trades on break even, and if you want to sell, let it go up, and then you can watch for more selling over there. German 30 as well. Watch for sell stops over there, back at the trend line or breaking down totally. UK 100 doing nice. Okay, so we're having some signs of reversal. Okay, so daily, I don't see this is the breakout totally. What it could be, this could be the running flat 1, 2 and 3. This could be running flat. We go up, we break the top. Now we have to watch it. Because this can just start going lower. That could be a very fast movement, and I'm still much more for sell than buying. Okay, buy, it's not what we are having currently from this standpoint. Okay, from this point we don't have any buy over there. Don't buy. Okay, not even sell. Don't sell yet. You need a price action. Okay, wait for the price action before you do anything over there. Okay, but definitely it's for watching. Chart is for watching. EuroCAD, okay, it went up. We've been discussing about it. So if you're already building some short positions, great. what the price can do, it could just correct over there and then go lower, right? So be careful that the price will not go do something like this, 1 2 3, go up and then still can drop. If do so, follow this buy and take this sell over there. That would be the easy job. Easy job if price do something like this. And any sells over there, you if this price appears, if price will start pushing higher, any sell needs to be close to break even. You will sell again from the top. Okay, you'll be selling it from the top again. Aussie Chief, this one is struggling and it's trying to build some triangle over there. It went lower, it's building some triangle. I have a couple of sells over there, but I'm still watching it. Okay, it's struggling over there. Okay, it's struggling over there, but we'll see. If it starts to go up, I will close all the sells and we'll see what the price will do. If it corrects, it's gonna go for another leg lower. Easy. New Zealand Chief can extend for another leg higher. Okay, so 1 2 3 and then go up. So keep an eye there. Once this will be completed, you can start watching for another leg higher. If you don't feel comfortable, just let it go and then you will watch for sell. I personally would rather wait for the price to go higher and then I will start selling it. It's gonna be much better. What else? New Zealand cat. This one as well. Okay, so sorry. Watch this one. Okay, what the price can do, it could do something like this. Okay, and then the price, what it could do, it could go up or either go down. That depends on how this price will come back to this trend line. Okay, this structure will tell us what the price will do in the future, so it will be very important to read this properly. Okay, you will have to read this structure properly. You'll have to identify it on the right time and then you will know what the price is trying to do. Pound New Zealand, okay, struggling over there, get out of any buy. Okay, so we've been buying it a couple of times. All trades are on break even, so we'll just leave it. Okay, that's not tradable. US oil trying to go lower. I still think that will go lower. I don't think that there is any other view. Let me just take a look. Oh, this could be just another push to the upside, but not yet. Okay, that's not good point as it stands out now. Okay, this could be just the correction and another leg lower and then high, so leave it for now. Oil, it should not be touched over there. Don't do anything. It's not clear. Okay, so did we guys understand everything? Do you have any questions? So once again, I will please you guys to hit that like button for everyone who is watching me on YouTube. It really means a lot to me, so please hit that like button and make sure that you will subscribe to the channel. On the channel you will find a lot of educational things. There is as well the playlist. Okay, so I prepared a playlist for all the new subscribers. Okay, so if you go there, you will find the education tab and there are a couple of videos which you should watch. Okay, you'll definitely learn something new. And of course, if you want more, then watch all the previous recordings which are in this playlist. Okay, all previous recordings are over there, and on every recording you'll learn something new. Trust me, people been doing that and they improve their knowledge, so I can bet on that you will do the same. Okay, do we have any questions, guys? What you're trading, what you're doing, what you're watching, anything, any questions? Yeah, no, I know. I've been answering questions immediately when I get one. I just immediately answer. What time frame are you entering the market? I'm watching 1 hour and 4 hour. That's all what I need. I don't go lower because lower it's more confusing. So I really do recommend everyone to stay at the 1 hour. 1 hour it's fine for everyone, and you can make nice money over there as well. So basically, we don't need lower time frame. Lower time frame is just to see things better. Okay, the picture will be a little bit clearer. Okay, more clear picture. It's the thing which you will get in lower time frame. Stick to the 1 hour, right? As I do. I'm sticking to the 1 hour, the minimum. Because if you don't see anything on 1 hour, then the setup is not that good. Okay, setup is not that good if you don't see it on higher time frame. Backtesting, yeah. If you do some backtesting with 1 hour time frame, then you will definitely see what is the best time frame for you. I think that DXY can break up over there, but if it drops lower, then I will just ignore it. I'm very interested in this buy. Hi, I think that you're a little bit late. Is this free? Yes, this is free. That's the webinar for everyone, my friend. Okay, so I will end the webinar over there slowly. So if you guys have any questions, you can as well leave a comment under the video. So this recording will be immediately published on my TradingView profile and as well on my YouTube channel. So you can watch it whenever you want. You can watch it a couple of times because it could be difficult to understand if you watch it only once. Okay, so once again, make sure that you hit that like button. It means really a lot to me. And JPY pairs getting ready to sell. Yeah, they are very good looking for a sell. No, don't sell it now. You have to wait, my friend. Wait a little bit more. You need strong reactions. You need some more red candles, let's say like that. That's the easiest explanation. Okay, so thank you very much everyone for being there. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so next time you won't miss the webinar. You have to be there on time. Take care and may the profit be with you, and stay patient with the setups. Take care. Bye bye.